There's a common misconception that trading is exclusively reserved for financial experts, the elite few with specialized knowledge. But let's set the record straight. Trading is not an exclusive club. It's a place that's open to all regardless of your background or expertise. Yes, it demands knowledge and skill, but here's the key. It's not limited to the financial elite. You don't need a finance degree or years of experience. Anyone, yes, anyone can learn to trade. But here's the catch. Becoming consistently profitable in the world of trading requires something that money can't buy: is time and dedication. Aspiring traders, take note. It's a journey where you'll acquire the knowledge, develop the skills, and hone the discipline needed to succeed. So remember, trading is open to all. The real secret to success isn't being an expert from day one, it's the commitment to learning and dedication to become consistently profitable. At Audacity Capital, we believe in empowering traders from all walks of life. Join us and let's embark on this journey together. Follow for more.